Good evening and welcome to the Powys section of our launch of the SEREN Academy for 2021. My name's Kate Thomas. I am the Director of Sixth Form at Crickhowell High School, and I've also been involved in the SEREN project since its launch over 5 years ago. So I'm very excited to be working with our Year 12s and Year 13s in Powys and ensuring that they have the opportunities and the support in order to make some exciting steps forward. So why get involved with SEREN, and particularly SEREN in Powys? Well, first of all, although we're geographically big, we're actually relatively small in terms of numbers, just because of population. But that size makes us mighty. It means that you'll have much more sort of one-to-one support because we're working with a much smaller group of students. It means that over the past few years since being involved in the SEREN programme, not only have we seen a huge increase in the number of admissions to the most competitive universities, but also a massive increase in our success rate. So we're looking forward to working with the next group of students to ensure that they have both the kind of super curricular support that they need, but also the practical hands-on support with making those applications and the earlier deadlines that they have to meet. And finally, particularly for Powys, we have a sense that we are better together. Where students who would be involved in this programme might be only 1 or 2 or 3 in their sixth form, together we form a group of over 200. And that gives a much greater sense of community and allows many more opportunities for collaboration and for working together. So what will be going on in Powys over the next year? Well, first of all, we'll have a series of masterclasses in a wide variety of subjects, and we will call these super curricular opportunities. They are ways for our students to move beyond the A-level curriculum and explore subjects that might only be available at undergraduate level or are beyond the remits of A-levels. There is a SEREN toolkit on Teams, and through that students can access all sorts of information in terms of their research for university, work experience that they might need, elements for their personal statement that they need to build into their programme now, so that we ensure that they go into the next step with all of those tools to hand. It also means that students will have a one-to-one mentoring appointment. That might be online with me, it might be in person with me, or it might be with their SEREN coordinator within school. So it does mean that our students have access to the higher level of support that they need to make these more competitive applications. You'll have heard tonight about the SEREN Award, which is a really exciting opportunity for students to have undergraduate level experience, but there are all sorts of other super curricular opportunities via MOOCs, which are online and also in person. And finally, we appreciate that the students who are applying for these most competitive courses will be carrying a greater academic load, and we therefore support them with that in terms of strategies to take care of their mental health, to look at time management and how to study effectively, making the jump from GCSE to AS and then from AS to A2, looking at effective revision strategies, particularly for students who haven't had perhaps the experience of external exams that pre-COVID generations might have had, building in support with exam technique as well as we reach the summer exam period. And finally, there's a massive arm of admissions support in terms of writing personal statements, how to make the most out of open days, in terms of admissions tests, and also interview preparation, submitting written work, etc., etc. So it's basically a bubble which is wrapped around your students to make sure that they have all of the support that they need as they navigate the next 2 years. So in terms of next steps, all of our Powys schools have a schools-based SEREN team. So make sure that you're a member of that, because it's via that that I push out all of the information about opportunities that are available, things you might want to sign up for, things that are happening, open days, visits to universities, etc. You need to be proactive. I'm sure you've heard lots this evening about SEREN is what you make of it. So do look out for those updates. I try to make sure that for students it's very straightforward, that they know what the call to action is. Do they need to sign up for something? Do they need to register? Do they need to be available online? Do they need to be liaising with their school because they're going to be out for a day on a university visit, for example? So in terms of being proactive, you will get out of SEREN what you put in. And then the first deadline is coming up relatively soon, and that's the 29th of October. which is the deadline to apply for the SEREN Award. This is an opportunity to do an undergraduate level programme of study and receive not only masterclasses, but the opportunity to produce a piece of work between 1,500 and 2,000 words, which is then assessed and you get very detailed feedback from a university member of staff. So those are the next steps, but all of the information is shared out through your school's SEREN team, and I'm also available to support and guide with any future information that you might need. So I'm very excited to work with you over the next 2 years. Congratulations on your achievements so far, and I'm looking forward to an exciting outcome in 2023.
Hi, I'm Will, and I'm from Crickhowell High School Sixth Form.
And I'm Molly, and I'm also from Crickhowell High School.
And we're going to talk to you about the SEREN Network. So over the last year in Year 12, we participated in the SEREN Network project. It was really a valuable resource for us. It gave us access to a lot of opportunities.
One of the main opportunities was we got to write an essay, an undergraduate essay, and it was real valuable insight into first of all, what our future education holds, but also it opened, I don't know about you, but it opened our minds to so many different aspects of the academic world, and quite frankly, it's really helped me develop as a person as I head into my future educational studies.
Yeah, I'd say we got tutorials with PhD students, which I thought were very valuable. They gave us a deeper insight to the subjects that we were studying. So, for example, I did mine on molecular biology, and I don't take biology A level, so my only exposure was GCSE level. So, to bridge the gap, I took a lot of tutorials with the PhD students who supported me and sort of developed my understanding through the range of GCSE to a degree. That was very useful, and then also the actual essay writing skills were very, very important because they hold you to an undergraduate marking scheme. So I had to reference properly, I had to use proper language, I had to use a bibliography and the correct structure, and that was really useful sort of experience to understand the level I need to be working at university. I also attended Jesus College Summer School at Oxford University, which I thought was very useful. I did that in physics and engineering, which is more sort of my area of expertise, and that was very useful. It sort of, again, deepened my understanding and was very useful to put my personal statement. It reflects that I have a deeper interest in my subject than just the school curriculum.
So yeah, we just want to kind of encourage you all to partake in the SEREN programme. As Will said, it's amazing for your personal statement because you'll begin to write them throughout maybe Year 12 and Year 13, and it's just a good opportunity. So yeah.